I swear the braid out always comes out best when you're taking out your old braids, like feed-ins and stuff. Because why do I actually want to wear it like this? But we gotta wash it. Hey beauties, we're gonna do a wash day today. It is much needed. My hair is very much, my scalp specifically is very much itchy and dry. I had feed-ins for about almost a full month, maybe like 3 weeks. But I just needed to wash my hair. I think I'm going to straighten it. We'll see how I feel after. I am kind of getting sick. You may be able to hear. So this wash itself is already going to take a lot out of me. We'll see. I really want to though, because I really want to use my Design Essentials. I have not used Design Essentials in years. When I was going to the salon, like as a kid, like in high school and college, they always used Design Essentials and it always worked. But I've never used it on myself at home, so I'm excited to see the results, especially if I do a silk press, because this is their blow dry and thermal styling collection line. This is what we're working with right now. I think we're gonna also do a hot oil treatment first. We're gonna do a clarifying shampoo, and then we're gonna go in with the Design Essentials. We're gonna do a deep conditioning as well, because I'm telling you y'all, like, my hair needs it. So we'll see how this goes. I don't think I'm going to film myself actually washing my hair, because that's just too much. You know how much water gets on the floor when I tried to do that? I don't know how the people who film these on a regular do it, but it gets all over my floor. I don't have like a stand-in shower. I have a tub. So you'll see me maybe put my head over the tub to wash, but you ain't going to get a close-up. I'm sorry. Okay, I lied. We're not going to do hot oil treatment. We're going to do the Curlsmith Bond Curl Rehab Salve. It's a bond treatment pretty much, but like, you know, kind of safe to use at home. Because I've had braids back to back now, and I'm probably getting braids again in a couple weeks. And I think my hair just needs a little bit of a repair situation, especially if I'm about to try and straighten it after, you know, doing that. So, still gonna keep it wet, and this is supposed to be used on like dirty hair. So I will do that and let it sit for 15, maybe 20 minutes. I'm definitely going to use it to also help me comb out some of the gel and gunk in here. So we'll do that instead. What we're doing. And I use a generous amount. Now I do have fine hair, and I'm pretty sure I have low porosity. But I'm not 100% sure. I'm not very into the, I know what porosity and curl pattern, all that. I just have hair. Okay, I don't know. But we're going to definitely need to use this. This will helpful also bring my curls back in case I don't decide to straighten it. So my curls look just a little bit more healthier. Now you don't want to use this too much. I remember my stylist that I go to for my silk presses, she told me, you know, I shouldn't really use this too much because my hair is very fine, and too much bond or like protein can be bad for my hair type. So I typically only use this once or twice a year, or unless I'm getting braids back to back to back, then I'll do it in between braided styles. But for the most part, max 3 times a year, unless I go to my stylist and she has me do a certain one. Jump scare. So this mascara came out after taking out my braids. Honestly, this isn't as bad as normally. I think because I only kept it in for 3 weeks, and they were feed-ins instead of individual. If I had individual, like knotless, this would be a lot more. But I still don't like seeing this much, and I know it's because like my hair usually sheds, and with braids it's not going to shed. I didn't wash it when it was in braids, but still, like, this can be upsetting. So we're gonna just, I don't know. I love braids. I love getting braids. I try not to do it as much, but silk press season is creeping up on us. So we're going to let this sit. Wash part is done, and this is what it's looking like. I did 3 shampoos, 1 clarifying and 2 of the moisturizing. So I can see that my curls are still kind of meh. So we're gonna go in with deep conditioner. I think I'm gonna mix them. I'm gonna go in with the Curlsmith. I'm gonna go in with the Curlsmith multitasking conditioner. This is like in conjunction with the Bond salve I used, but I'm also gonna use my Mika because I can also tell my hair needs hydration. So we're gonna mix them. I don't know if you're supposed to do it, but I do, and it works. So I don't care. I'm gonna go in with the thinnest one first. As you see, this one moves a lot more. This one's a lot thicker. So I'm gonna start with this one first. They're starting to bounce back, so they just need some hydration. That's okay. So this is the heated cap I'm gonna use. It's filled with like flax seeds and something else, but I put it in the microwave for maybe like a minute maybe, and it gets nice and hot. And I'll just wear it, and we'll be back to rinse it out. All right, so we've deep conditioned, so we're gonna take off the cap, rinse. I also condition again just because, I don't know, that's what I do. I don't know if you're supposed to. I don't know if it matters, but I do. Okay, so hair dry, and this is what it's looking like. Drying straight out. Deep condition, wash, all that. Curls are back intact, I think. We'll see how the blow dry goes. I'm gonna section my hair into 4 sections, and then I'm going to do some leave-in and blow dry it. Typically the back left. I don't know why I always go for that one first, but definitely feels a lot cleaner. Oh my gosh, that feels so good. And we're gonna go in with the Design Essentials blow dry and heat shield, but I'm gonna put in a little bit of leave-in first. I don't know if I'm gonna use this Design Essentials or the Mika, but you know what, we'll stick with Design Essentials because that's what we're using. So I'm just gonna do a little bit of that, like just a little bit. Cool. A little bit of leave-in, comb it through, and then we'll go in with the heat protectant, which this might technically be a leave-in also, but it says to shake to activate. Very smooth, can run my fingers through it. Love it. My hair is naturally like just very soft, but I have very fine hair. So like when I do like this, it looks like I have, I'm not gonna say a lot of hair, but it looks like I have like thick-ish hair. But if you see through it, you can tell that like I have fine strands. Blowouts make me look like I have a lot, and then you straighten it and it's boneless. But I'm fine with that. It's okay. At least at the salon. When I do it at home, I typically end up getting like a fluffy silk press, which I don't mind. So I do feel like I have enough energy to straighten it. So I think I'm gonna go ahead and do that and be done for the night. So let's go ahead and straighten it and see how it comes. Somewhat of the finished look. I may style it differently, but this is what I mean by fluffy silk press. I can never get it like bone straight like they do at the salon, but I don't mind a fluffy silk press because when I do it, if I went to a salon and it was fluffy, I'd be upset because I'm not paying for fluffy. I do it, I don't mind because then I look like it looks thicker, and I mean it still looks healthy, I think, in my opinion. So this is what it looks like, and I might style it a different way. I typically do a middle part, but I might, let me see, I might do a little swooped side, a little tucked. We'll see. I don't know. It also depends on what the weather is going to be like this week. So, because I'm going to have to definitely put some humidity spray on it for it to last. But I'm happy with the end result, finished look, and I'm here for it. Thanks, beauties.